Today, I want to show you 5 things to take into consideration before buying and purchasing hardware for your window treatments. And when I say hardware, I'm talking about purchasing things like rods, rings, finials, tiebacks, anchors, or anything that is required to hang your window treatments. The 5 things to take into consideration include number 1, your window type. What type of window do you have? Is it square, an arch, or another awkward shape? Is it flush to the edge of the frame? Or is the window obstructed by trim, crown molding? Does it have a deep inset that may have a ledge? Take a look at the obstructions that are around your window because those things will have a big impact on the type of hardware that you purchase. Number 2, the measurements. Once you have taken into account all of the different types of obstructions that are present, where are you measuring from? Are you measuring from the ceiling down to the frame? Are you measuring to the wall? There are different spacing considerations that I really want you to think about before you go off to the store purchasing hardware. Number 3, the budget. It's all about spending for hardware in those high visibility areas that you may not have considered, such as your living room or your dining room. And you may then want to decide to purchase less expensive hardware in some of the areas that are not going to be high visibility. I want you to take a look at a couple of the locations that I recommend that you go to. Again, open to the public where you can go and look, touch, and feel for yourself. Budget is going to be very important. Also, the installation of that hardware. Are you going to have all the tools and materials that you need? And then last but not least, number 5, the fabric, which has its own cost, especially if it's fabric that you need for a sun-facing window, if you want to include blackout lining, and the grade and quality of the fabric that you're considering. If you're new to custom treatments, if you're new to sewing, watch this video a couple of times. You may have to repeat it a few times in order to understand the true order of operation. And by all means, please do not go out and purchase window treatments from the store or even attempt to make your own window treatments without fully understanding the 5 things that go into the decision making for purchasing hardware for your windows. I'll see you in the next video.